Hi guys, in this video I'll tell you how to cancel Whoop membership. So simply go to your browser, whatever you use. I'm currently using Chrome browser on my laptop and search here Whoop membership. Whoop support. Simply go on Whoop support and you will see this option here. You will see this website, and below this website you will see an option submit a request. Simply click on this option submit a request and you will come to this website after that. So submit a request, simply you choose your preferred language. I choose English. Please choose your issue below. Simply go to membership and issue details. Simply select cancellation and additional details. Select cancellation request. After that, enter your email address that is used for your Whoop membership and enter the description, just a short description of what is your issue and why are you canceling your Whoop membership, and write down the subject like cancel Whoop membership or something like that, and simply click on submit. So when you click on submit, they will review your request and within 2 to 3 working days they will cancel your membership. So that is a simple process of how you can cancel your Whoop membership.